This one gold, kidney stone, diabetes. This one we call cat whiskas. Okay. How to make it? They turn to be a like as a drink. You need to cut this one. You cut the branch and also you will cut the leaf. Okay, then you will dry. Okay. Then you dry. They turn to be a brown color as like a tea. Then you just boil. Okay. Then you boil. The color is brown as like a tea. Then you just drink. The taste, the flour not used really. We just choose the things inside here. Okay? More honey.
Use the leaves.
Yes, we need use the leaf only, but the flour is
water
not.
or hot water?
Hot water. Must be a hot water.
Must be hot water.
Hot water can do as like a tea. Then you just drink. It's one good for
Good for what?
the gout, blood circulation, kidney stone, and also diabetes. The taste is more bitter. Okay. Don't need to put sugar.
No need to
Okay.
put sugar.
No need to put sugar.
More bitter and no need to put sugar.
So how many times one day?
Like
If
two times. Morning,
for person
morning,
who have diabetes.
yes. Morning one time, and then before you sleep, you will get one more. Yes. Same as like a milk.